Greetings everyone, and thank you guys for coming back to Sunborn Creation. So I'm doing like a little show and tell. So I'm going to show you some of the materials that I use to make the stack. This is an uncommon stack. I haven't seen a stack out there like this at all. Beautiful stack. I call it like a coloration. The way I mix the colors is off the chain. So check it out and like, share, and subscribe, and send this to your buddies, guys. Send it out, share it up, and help Sunborn Creations grow her channel. That's what we are about over here, helping each other grow our channels, okay? Now, I'm going to be divulging a little secret to you guys also about some things. Now, if you're out here a seller like myself, and sometimes you don't have the money to buy, let's say if you want to use a bead like this, and you don't have this bead in stock. In my next video, I'm going to show you how you can use a bead like that and how you can make a bead like this, okay? But in the meantime, I got these out of Michael's, bead landed. It's 7 inches, 17.7, and they 8mm beads. I haven't used anything off here. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay, this is 23 beads. Okay, so check this out. I'm getting this from another wholesaler. From my bead guy, okay? Look, check out the difference. Can you say how many freaking beads? And guess what? He has this at a wholesale price of 10. And like I said, I get it less than that, because I've been dealing with him for a while. This is like 30-something beads. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 37, and I've even taken some off here. So this may be like 40 beads, guys. I mean, I'm just on here doing videos, guys, and I'm not advocating for anybody. I'm advocating for me and advocating for the smaller jeweler, creator like myself, where you want to, keep a little money in your pocket. Yeah, sure. Use these until you can figure some things out. So, anyway, so on this, just a little FYI, just a little, information. The more and more I stay in this, the more and more I learn. Even like with these tools. This tool will do what this tool do. You know what I'm saying? It's just money marketing anyway. I come to spill some of their secrets, guys. That's what I come to do, because I'm tired of people using people, taking advantage of people. Now, if you're working with the split rings, this is a necessary tool, because this is what you put in the ring to guide it, to open it up. I like this tool, but some of these tools you don't need. But anyway, let's get into this video. This is a show and tell, guys. And I thank you, and send some people my way as I build my channel. So, these are some of the findings or elements that I use on these. And I plan on making more of these. These are like one of a kind. Nobody else got these on the market, guys. I figured out how to make beautiful stacks and how to combine the colors together. You don't have to stay in the frame of red and black. What's another common color? Red and white, red and blue. You can step out of that chain. Change the world. That's what I'm doing, changing the world with my jewelry pieces. Right now I may be small, but I'm building up and I'm building up. That's why I came on YouTube, to show the world. You don't have to stay in the norm. Step out of the box. So on this stack, this is like red coral that I used. And I used the gold beads. And I used these little metal drum-like beads. This is another, like a copper colored drum bead. This is like a solidite natural stone. And I used the Buddha head. And I used the evil eye and the ladybug. See, the way I make mine, I like to add the elements of the earth to these stones. Like this one, I just did a simple blue strand and put the Buddha head on there. And this one, and these are like 6mm wooden beads also, guys. Now on this one, I did like the black beads all the way around. And then I looked at my elements and I saw what I wanted to create. So I put a blue and blue to blend in with this one right there. And I did 3 reds in there. And I did 2 golds. And I took 2 of the little flower colored beads and put in there. And the 3 reds. And that's what I did. And I put like this black piece in there also, because I knew I was going to use black next, right? Now, this bead right here, you could just use a bead like this, because those are sold for like maybe $8, and you only get like $8.99, and you only get like 4 on the strand, I think. Don't quote me on that. So I used the red bead here, red coral on both sides, black, and I put the little evil eye heart bead there. And that's how I finished that piece off. So to get my 4th stack, I just added in a little ladybug, red ladybug. And I added, beside the ladybug, I added in the blue again. And then from this piece, I just added in these 2 pieces also. See? And I put the gold beads on the back, and guess what I got? A beautiful, uncommon stack like no other. That's how I make my stacks. If you're interested in making stacks like this, just check out more videos on how to make stackable bracelets that blend in. Now these correspond together. Now you can wear these at one time, or you don't have to wear all of these at one time. But they do look nice, see? And this is a beautiful blend all around. Now, I might do charms, but if I do charms, I would use that muted color. You see, this is more like a bronze. I would do the bronze colors on here. So I might do some charms. And if I do, I just put a picture up and just put it in my community tab or something. But guys, look at that. Charms are not needed up here. But, you know, down here would be good. But anyway, guys, thank you for coming back. Well, that's the way I see it. You know, other people can see it another way, but that's how I see it. But guys, and you know, we each make jewelry in a different way. I like charms, but I'm not. They're all right, but sometimes charms can be aggravating. But anyway, guys, thank you for coming to Sunburn Creations, and these are my opinions and nobody else's. And please like and share, guys, and send me some people my way. Okay? Thank you, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.